Hi everyone, good morning. This is Rajni. Guys, today I'd like to talk to you about yet another clever and a smart tool called PhantomBuster. I stumbled upon this tool while going through a training about what all different tools are available in the market and how could they really help us automatize stuff, help save time, and become more professional and efficient at what we do. I found Phantom Buster was quite interesting and quite helpful. So I thought of just sharing this information with you all. So let's understand what is Phantom Buster, what could it do for you, and why do you want to use one. Let's dive in. Okay, so what exactly is a Phantom Buster, guys? A Phantom Buster is an automation platform that helps you carry out tasks on the internet automatically. Essentially, you could think of it as an digital assistant who could log into the websites for you, collect information, um, derive the insights and help you make informed decisions. And of course it can save a lot of time for you, so you could rather spend the time doing the strategic things and focusing on the most important and the valuable tasks. Okay, so that's what the Phantom Buster is. This tool uses something called as phantoms, and phantoms are nothing but these are the little scripts, or these are the little bots that know how to exactly do one job specifically, and they do that job really really well. So essentially, Phantom Buster is a platform that has heaps of phantoms available. You could go to their website, look through all the phantoms available, or in other words, you could also say look through all the scripts or look through all the bots that are available. You could pick the one that works for you, or you could pick the one that suits your requirement. You configure it and you start to use it. So that's what the Phantom Buster really is. Why do you want to use Phantom Buster? Well, really to save time, so you could really focus on your most valuable tasks rather than spending time on the repetitive and the mundane tasks. Okay, so let's also understand where does Phantom Buster really shines. Guys, it really shines in the project management tasks. If you belong to a research field, if you belong to marketing, HR, recruitment, I mean, these are all the different use cases Phantom Buster has. One interesting thing that I found was, this Phantom Buster has a lot of phantoms available for LinkedIn also. Say, for instance, you are looking to hire candidates for the requirements that you've got at your hand. So instead of really looking through the profiles manually on LinkedIn, you could set up one of the phantoms available on the Buster website. You could configure it, and there you go. You get the list of all the relevant profiles straight to your email, depending upon the configuration that you've done, or it could also get the data for you in the form of an Excel. So yeah, I mean, really helps save a lot of time. And another interesting thing about Phantom Buster is that you don't have to be a coding wizard. You don't have to know the programming language, or it does not require you to do coding. You just go to the site, pick the phantom that suits your requirement, set it up, configure it, and bang, that's all. so yeah, I mean, if you really want to try their services, just try a few phantoms. There are a few phantoms that you could utilize for free, see if they work for you and the kind of value they offer you, and then you could take a decision if you would like to use this tool. At least I'm using this tool. This is turning out to be really helpful. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys, bye.